I built Lux Verotech and SkyPress Web in WordPress and Elementor Pro, so I know the value of having reusable elements. HighLevel has global section and section template features for the page builder, and this includes settings for the blog post, making editing easier and improving consistency across all site elements. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Emil from SkyPressWeb.com, and I've started using HighLevel to run my own businesses. I've been through the HighLevel admin certification, and in this series of videos, I'm exploring all the HighLevel feature releases over the past year to discover all that's possible with the platform, so I can get reception, sales and marketing, and customer service fully automated and running efficiently. Before I built out Lux Verotech on WordPress and Elementor, as I've mentioned, I did try out the page builder in HighLevel, and I'm really impressed with what you can do. I'm just very familiar with Elementor Pro, so it made more sense just to go that route and get it done quicker. But spending a bit more time here, I think there's a lot that you can do, maybe with not overly complex designs, but certainly to get the look and feel that you want. Now, that's as much as I've done with it, but I don't have a blog post. Just wanted to show the global templates that you can use. So global sections, obviously header and footer make sense. And then you can put create section templates and many other elements that you can use throughout your site. Now, I know we're speaking specifically about the blog posts. So if we just go to the HighLevel documentation, this is kind of what it's like to set up these global templates and then be able to use them across your sites, as you can see basically in the same page builder. So this is a really, really handy feature that I think is now also very common in a lot of the page builders. So very necessary that HighLevel has this capability. This leads to a more professional and unified user experience for your visitors, reinforcing your brand, regardless of whether they're on a funnel, the main site, or a blog post. If you'd like to find out if HighLevel is the right fit for your business, go to skypressweb.com/HighLevel. You can start a 2-week trial, and there's also an option to book a short call with me so I can assist you to get up and running quickly.